Hi friends, my name is Sarita and today we will talk about how to go about registering for SAP certification exam. In my last video, I gave you a brief about SAP certification program. As you know that SAP has moved to cloud, so now it's become cloud-based platform, and if you see the cloud-based structure of the software, you will get the feel of how simple configurations have become in cloud. It's easy to use once trained properly. Now let's understand how to register yourself for the exam. The first step is you need to log on to the SAP website, that is training.sap.com. One best part about the SAP website is they have given you free trial of Certification Hub for 14 days just to know the learnings available. But you cannot book the exam, it's just for understanding what it offers. Now as you know what it offers, you need to buy the access to Certification Hub as it takes you to the list of certifications that you want to apply. Now once you choose the certification, select and book the slot to give the exam as per your country time zone. The best part about booking the exam slot is that you have access to Certification Hub 24/7 and you can schedule your exam anytime. Once you book the slot, you get a confirmation mail about the exam schedule. The SAP Global Certification gives you subscription of Certification Hub for a period of 12 months, and in this period you can give up to 6 exams. The total number of attempts offered for each exam is 3 times, not more than that. So make sure you clear it in all these 3 attempts. To give this online exam, you just need a webcam on your PC or laptop and you can give it from home or office. That's the best part about it. The examinees who clear the exam receive an SAP Global certification along with digital badge for their achievement. So my best wishes with all the people who are planning to do their SAP certification and who are planning their careers into SAP. I hope this video was helpful. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel as this motivates me to create more and more good content. Thank you so much.